Are you ready to elevate your cooking experience with a high-performance, stylish, and durable stock pot? Look no further than this Daedalus 7.5 Quart stainless steel stock pot with lid. Combining cutting-edge design, superior materials, and versatility, this stock pot is perfect for home kitchens and professional chefs alike. Whether you're making a hearty soup, braising meat, or preparing a family-sized dinner, the Daedalus stock pot offers unparalleled performance and aesthetic appeal. Why choose the Daedalus 7.5 Quart stainless steel stock pot? When it comes to cookware, quality and functionality are key. The Daedalus 7.5 Quart stock pot offers both in abundance. This large, beautifully crafted pot isn't just a cooking vessel, it's an upgrade to your entire kitchen experience. From the moment you take it out of the box, you'll appreciate the superior craftsmanship, the sleek, hammered copper design, and the thoughtful features that make cooking more efficient and enjoyable. Key features and benefits: triply-clad construction with hammered copper design. The Daedalus stock pot is constructed with a triply-clad design featuring a stainless steel exterior, aluminum core, and a copper layer. The aluminum core allows for fast and even heat distribution, while the copper layer provides a stunning, hammered finish that enhances the pot's heat retention. This construction ensures that your food cooks evenly, reducing the chances of hot spots that can ruin your meals. Uncoated nonstick interior for healthier cooking. Unlike traditional nonstick pots that use synthetic coatings, this pot features physical anti-stick technology that doesn't rely on chemicals. The uncoated stainless steel interior ensures a healthier cooking experience, preventing the potential harmful effects of synthetic nonstick coatings. It also makes it easy to cook your favorite dishes without worrying about food sticking to the surface. Versatile for multiple cooking methods, the Daedalus stock pot is incredibly versatile. Whether you're baking, roasting, braising, or sautéing, this pot can do it all. The 7.5 quart capacity is perfect for large meals, whether you're making a batch of chili, soup, or even homemade bread. The wide range of cooking possibilities makes this pot an essential tool for anyone who loves to experiment in the kitchen. Even heat distribution with flat bottom. One of the standout features of the Daedalus stock pot is its flat bottom, which ensures even heat distribution. This means no more worrying about food burning on one side while the other remains undercooked. The even heating eliminates hot spots and ensures your meals are cooked consistently and efficiently. Elegant hammered copper finish. Gone are the days of dull, uninspiring cookware. The Daedalus stock pot boasts a beautiful hammered copper design that adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. This pot is not just functional, it's also a piece of art. It's the perfect combination of beauty and utility, so you can impress your guests with both your cooking and your kitchen decor. Ergonomic, heat-resistant stainless steel handles. The stock pot features ergonomically designed stainless steel handles that are securely riveted to the pot. These handles are designed to stay cool while you're cooking, providing a safe and comfortable grip. Whether you're stirring, sautéing, or lifting the pot, the handles make it easy and secure to handle the pot, even when it's hot. Durable and long-lasting. The Daedalus 7.5 quart stock pot is built to last. Thanks to the high-quality materials used in its construction, this pot can withstand the rigors of everyday cooking. It's oven-safe, dishwasher-safe, and perfect for cooking on all stovetops, including induction. Whether you're simmering a stock or roasting vegetables, this pot can handle it all. Preserves nutrients with fitting lid. The pot comes with a fitting lid that helps preserve the nutrients in your food by trapping steam. This ensures that your dishes retain their full flavor and health benefits. The tight-fitting lid also helps reduce cooking times and energy usage, making it a more efficient cooking tool. Pros: triply-clad construction with copper for even heat distribution. Non-coated interior for healthier, chemical-free cooking. Stylish hammered copper finish adds elegance to any kitchen. Ergonomically designed handles stay cool during cooking. Versatile for a wide range of cooking methods. Durable and long-lasting construction. Oven-safe, dishwasher-safe, and compatible with all stovetops, including induction. Cons: the pot is slightly on the heavier side, which could be challenging when lifting large, heavy meals. Premium price point, but well worth the investment for its quality and longevity. If you enjoyed this review, Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.